Hello everyone, in this tutorial, we will discuss the benefits of drinking water for weight loss and overall health. Water is essential for life, and it is important to stay hydrated to maintain good health. It is also a great tool for those who are looking to lose weight. Drinking water helps you feel full. Drinking water before meals can help you feel full and reduce your calorie intake. This can help you lose weight over time. In fact, studies have shown that people who drink water before meals eat fewer calories and lose more weight than those who do not. Water can boost your metabolism. Drinking water can also help boost your metabolism, which can help you burn more calories throughout the day. Studies have shown that drinking just 17 ounces of water can increase your metabolic rate by up to 30% for about an hour. Water can help you get rid of toxins. Water helps to flush toxins out of your body, which can help you lose weight and improve your overall health. When you drink water, it helps to flush out waste products and toxins from your body, which can reduce inflammation and promote better digestion. Drinking water can improve your mood. Dehydration can lead to mood swings and fatigue, which can make it difficult to stick to your weight loss goals. Drinking water can help improve your mood and energy levels, which can help you stay motivated and focused. Water can help you build muscle. Drinking water is important for building and repairing muscles. When you exercise, your muscles need water to function properly. Drinking enough water can help you build muscle and recover faster after workouts. Water can improve your skin. Drinking water can also improve the appearance of your skin. When you are dehydrated, your skin can look dry and dull. Drinking water can help to hydrate your skin from the inside out, giving it a healthy, radiant glow. Water helps to reduce water retention. Water retention can lead to bloating and can make you look and feel heavier than you actually are. However, drinking water can actually help to reduce water retention by flushing out excess sodium and fluids from your body. Drinking water can reduce cravings. Sometimes, we mistake thirst for hunger and end up eating more than we need to. Drinking water can help to reduce cravings and prevent overeating. In fact, studies have shown that people who drink more water have lower intake of sugary drinks and snacks. Water is calorie-free. Unlike sugary drinks and sodas, water is calorie-free. By replacing high-calorie drinks with water, you can significantly reduce your daily calorie intake and promote weight loss. Drinking water can boost your brain power. Water is not just good for your body, it's